explain low resistance or current zero interruption in circuit breaker. So this type of arrangement is used in the AC circuit breakers. In this, the arc resistance is kept low until the arc current becomes zero. The arc extinguishes when the current becomes zero. It is seen that the arc does not strike again even if the value of the restriking voltage is more, because the rate of dielectric strength buildup is high. There are positive ions and negative ions in the region around the contacts, so the dielectric strength is low. So the arc strikes again when the contact voltage increases. But if immediately after the current zero, the dielectric strength in the region between the contacts increases rapidly compared to the rate of rise of restriking voltage across the arc does not strike again, means the arc is interrupted. Increasing dielectric strength of the medium can be done by two different methods. One is by converting the ions into the neutral molecules to take their place, and this can be done with the help of the recombination of the molecules or the ions in the region between the contacts. Second method is by removing the ions and the neutral molecules to take their place. So we are allowing the neutral molecules to take their place of the ions. Now process of deionization of the medium can be done by the following methods. One is by increasing rapidly the distance between the contacts. So the dielectric strength depends upon the distance. The dielectric strength increases when the distance between the contacts increases. So the distance between the conducting plates or the moving contacts and fixed contacts increased. So the distance between the contacts is increased rapidly. The dielectric strength increased rapidly. High pressure. When the pressure around the arc is increased, the density of the particles forming the arc increases and the deionization process increases rapidly. So the dielectric strength increases quickly or rapidly. Now cooling. The process of deionization becomes quick if the arc is cooled. So the increase in the dielectric strength becomes faster or the quicker one, and the cooling means the cooling of the arc takes place, and this will allow the dielectric strength build up rapidly and allow the arc quenches quickly. Blast effect. In this method, the ionized particles of the arc removed rapidly by the flush of gas or oil in the medium. So the ionized particles are removed and their space is occupied by the neutral molecules. So there is a rapid increase in the dielectric strength. So these are some methods to increase the deionization process and allowing the quenching of the arc in the medium at the zero current interruption time. So this is how the low resistance or current zero interruption in circuit breakers takes place.